Hey dear viewers, today I am sharing with you a flavorful, tasty and of course healthiest recipe. So for that I have taken 2 glasses of water, 1 potato, 3/4 of green squash. आप कोई भी वेजिस ले सकते हो, यहाँ पे मैंने squash लिया है. And then I am adding here half cup of masoor dal. Other dals work too, but masoor dal just hits differently in this recipe. So आप कोई भी दाल यूज़ कर सकते हो, but you know मसूर दाल is best for this recipe. And then I have added like 3 green chilies with less spicy food at home. हम लोग का spice tolerance level बहुत ही कम है, so I have added only 3. You can add more if you have high spice tolerance according to your tolerance level. And then I covered it with a lid and let it boil on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time for our main ingredient. We call it Hidol in our Bishnupriya Manipuri language. I just added half tablespoon, and yes, that's enough. Too much and your dish might turn bitter, and we don't want that kind of drama in our lunch. And let it cook for 5 more minutes, giving it enough time to blend with the dal and veggies. The next step is adding salt according to your taste. And यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा stirring किया and check the veggies whether it is cooked or ready for the next step or not. And very important step, I separated the boiled water from the veggies, because trust me, mashing vegetables with water in it like trying to do yoga in a swimming pool. Messy, slippery and no results. So I removed the water and then grabbed a humble glass and started mashing everything nicely. And it's honestly so satisfying. I think it counts as therapy. So अच्छे से मैश करते ही रहो जब तक पूरा मैश ना हो जाए. I love this step to do. So after mashing, I mixed it all together and let it cook for 2 more minutes on low flame. And then I added little grated ginger. बहुत ही कम दिया था. फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा स्टायरिंग करा and then कुछ पानी बाकी बचा था वो ऐड करा. And here is the secret touch. I added few leaves of Nyampa. We call it Nyampa in our Bishnupriya Manipuri language. I honestly don't know what it's called in other languages. If you know, please tell me in the comment section. Comment section is open for you guys. Its aroma, you'll be amazed to have it. So my Erolpa is almost ready. So what I'm telling is that how to make Hidol at home. So it starts with buying small dry fish from the market. हम लोग अच्छे से धोते हैं, फिर give them a sun bath for 3 to 4 days. अच्छे से dry होने के बाद, once they are perfectly dry, we grind them into a powder. Then we mix in something called kochu. उसको बोलते हैं like तारू stem या. And finally store, mix करने के बाद finally store करते हैं हम लोग glass jar में. पहले के ज़माने में तो बेम्बो ट्यूब्स में स्टोर करते हैं, अभी कहाँ ये सब मिलेगा ना. विलेजेस में मिलता है. ये मेरे पिशी ने ही बेचा है हिदोल का वो जार. एंड इट फील्स सो हुमी. नहीं तो हम लोग शीतल मास ही खरीद के खाते हैं. सो इफ़ यू डोंट हैव हिदोल देन नो वरीज, यू कैन ऐड 2 to 3 पीसेस ऑफ शीतल मास जो कि मार्केट में इजीली मिलेगा. and you can add that as a replacement of Hidol. So yeah, that's how my Erolpa is ready to serve. So मैंने यहाँ पे राइस भी बिठा दिया कुकर पे, वो भी क्लिप ऐड कर दिया. So my main thing was to share the recipe of Erolpa with you guys, so please don't mind. So after rice I just fried some baby potatoes with onions and little ginger. Nothing fancy but so satisfying for us. हम लोग बहुत ही कम ऑयल खाते हैं, सो बहुत ही कम ऑयल यूज़ करा. एंड देन यू नो नॉर्मल जैसे आलू भाजी करते हुए वैसे ही करा. And yeah, one thing, if you are using less oil then just add some little water, otherwise your potatoes might go from crispy to crispy burned out very quickly. So if you are using more oil then it's okay, no need of water. अगर आप कम ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हो then you have to add water somehow. तो यहाँ पे मेरा आलू भाजी चलता रहा नॉर्मली जो करते ही है, वो तो आपको पता ही है. ये भी मैंने क्लिप डाल दिया उसके साथ. So here I am adding haldi powder and jeera powder. No garam masala, no dhania powder and all. बस सिंपल सा. We just love in this way. And my bhaji is almost ready. So we'll be having a great lunch today. And here is my beautiful, colorful and of course the tastiest thali.